What if I told you the people making money on every trade aren't always the traders?
What's a broker?
They are the middleman behind every trade you make. Understanding the brokers. Picture this, you are in a bustling market, but instead of buying apples, you buy stocks, cryptos, commodities. So a broker is your plug. And it's that savvy friend who says, I get it done for you. They are the middleman who connects buyers with sellers and makes sure it's all legit, fast, and smooth. It's like the Uber for your trades. But here's the catch. Brokers don't do this out of love. How do brokers make money? Brokers make trading possible and profitable. For them, they get paid through something called the spread. Basically, a small commission on each trade. So every time you hit buy or sell, pocket a tiny slice. Win or lose, they always get paid. That is the business model. And this is where the most traders get blindsided. The broker's job is just to give you access, but what happens when the market gets wild, when emotions kick in and your plan flies out the window? That is where you either blow up or you build up. And to build up, you need the right tools. And that's why I created the Unstoppable Trader Tools, a system designed to keep you disciplined, consistent, and accountable. Link in the description if you want to log them, because here's the truth. Brokers only give you the keys to the market, but your success, your results, that depends on the strategy, discipline, and mindset that you bring into every trade. The Unstoppable Tools make that part inevitable if you do it the right way. You can go and click on the link in the description to get more details about it. Now let's go back to the brokers for a second. Now know your role. The brokers versus trader. The broker, it is the operator, handles orders, manages funds, and makes the system tick. And the trader, that is you. The risk taker, the one with the charts, spotting trends, and making moves. Think of it like a sports. The broker sets up the field, but you play the game. Let's talk about why you can trade without a broker. So if you want to hop into the market, you need a ticket, and your broker holds it and it gives you access to trade stocks, Forex, crypto, or whatever you are into. The broker holds the key to the market, giving you the power to trade legally and safely. They are licensed and regulated, so no broker, there's no access, plain and simple. If you are finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future lessons. The good news, your broker is your trading toolkit. Yes, they also hand you a toolkit like pro trading platforms like MT4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, real-time indicators, analysis tools, market news, alerts and updates, advanced charts that help you see before it happens, and free demo accounts to practice. Real accounts when you are ready to trade live. All the tools you need to trade live. So let's answer the big question. How do you make money as a trader? It's all the strategy. You earn it when it hits the market. No shortcuts, no guarantees, just you, your plan, and the market. The mindset, the strategy, the risk management, plus the timing, because when you have all of this, you can get profit, making it the right way. So every win and every loss comes down to the decisions you make. That is why the tools you use and the discipline you bring matter more than anything else. But here's the kicker. While you're grinding to make money, they are getting paid on every single click. That's fine. That's their age. Your age has to come from mastering your strategy and the unstoppable tools. For me, after the testing different brokers, this one stands out. I don't officially recommend any specific broker, but if you are wondering, the one I personally use is Exness. They've given me solid support and smooth training experience so far. I dropped my referral code in the description. So my broker experience. I've tested the waters with different brokers, but this one hits different. Always do your own research and choose the broker that fits your needs, location, and trading style. So by the way, what currency pair are you most curious about trading? Drop it in the comments. I might break it down in a future video. And if you want to try Exness, you can use my referral code 95HEVGOD9V. This is the one I use. I dropped the link and my referral code in the post description so you can check it out too. At the end of the day, the broker opens the door, but it is your mindset, strategy, and the tools you use that decide how far you will go. Subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next class. Trade slave.